Hi, today we're gonna talk about a life-changing therapy that treats the mind, body, emotions, and energy through conscious connected breathing, THB, the transformational holistic breathing. THB implements a specific 5 steps diagnosis. 1. Chinese concept of tongue and pulse examination. 2. Energy assessment. 3. Emotional assessment. 4. New self and old self patterns. And 5. The pre-assessment modality. All that allows the practitioner to detect physical diseases and repressed emotions within the patient, and to offer a tailored and specific therapy according to his/her needs. Through this meticulous diagnosis, THB determines the appropriate breathing rhythm, speed, volume, and modality. THB comprehends more than 8 therapeutic modalities that boost clients' immunity system, decreases cortisol and inflammation, treats physical and psychological diseases, increases energy frequency within the meridians, induces an ultimate state of relaxation response that counteracts all types of pain, either physical, psychological, or psychosomatic. It reduces stress dramatically and releases emotional traumas, along with a complete holistic restoration of mind, body, emotions, and energy as well. THB holds now an international accreditation and is taught within more than 8 countries worldwide. For special therapies or workshops request, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Dr. David Abu Khalil. Thank you for following me.